Hello there, reindeer fans. Mr. Brennan here for day 3 of the Reindeer Games. Before we get to today's action and the leaderboard, I want to share something. Yesterday was probably one of my favorite which one doesn't belong, and a good time to check back in. Let's look at some of the responses. First, you notice only 33 people bothered to check in. It makes it really hard for me to do my job when you don't do your job. So thank you to those people who did. There's a list of names right there, but I'm not that concerned about that. I want to notice some things. I should be able to click on this. The closest one to the screen is right as staring at me, extremely large devilish horns, and I don't like that. So that's an interesting one, but I'm not sure if it says how it's different. But looking here, you can just cruise through and see some really, really excellent answer. The one that's eating, because all the other ones are looking at the screen, and it's eating snow, and reindeer eat grass and brush. So really fun and interesting answers. Here's a 0. No, I'm not going to give you a 1 for that. That's a 0. So, but if you look at the language here, I think the one in the middle under the word games doesn't belong because the rest are all on the sides and it looks like the lead. So some inference there. I think the one that's bending over because it's one of the 9 reindeer are bending down. Oh my gosh, that's excellent answer. Great job noticing. You could see that you can almost score these without reading, huh? Reindeer under the M in games, because if you do not have that one, you would not have an even number. I'm not sure about something like that. So your answers should make sense. They should be complete sentence. Yeah, go ahead and use capital letters. This is really a creative one. Izzy made a flip grid, which I watched, was super fun. So thanks for your creativity there. But some really, really cool stuff going on. And keep up the good work, those of you who are doing good work. Now to the game. Some very interesting things happening here. You can look and see some separation here. But when you look over and see what people are doing, most people here, the lead deer, have done some Dreambox. Could you believe that kids are going through the whole week and not doing anything? And here's proof. They at least signed up for the contest. They have not done a single Dreambox lesson. They haven't drawn a picture. They haven't attempted a math problem. Nothing all week. So I want to encourage you to follow the example of your classmates. You know these guys are going to get the bonus because they're working on everything. Some things I want to show you. Here's the tree gallery. This is work made by your classmates. I encourage you to do the same thing. Here's the art gallery. You get 10 points just for participating. I used this in today's, so some really, really cool stuff. Some of them are not fractals, but they're all very cool. So I encourage you to come back and invest your time and energy in your present and in your future and get on the board. You see right here, some of these 12 days of crypto, because there's no 10 on here because nobody's gotten them all right yet. So I bet you I'm going to get some calls during my office hours. And Factor Tree is not done until Thursday. Here, there's still room for participation. And of course, everybody who's done any Dreambox lessons has participation points. But right now, as of Tuesday night, 10 lessons to get you 10 points. So I'm sure that's not going to be true by Thursday afternoon, but here's a chance to work here. Remember, I'm going to give you a set of cards here. So lots of opportunity to observe the work of your classmates and do great work for yourself. So I hope you have fun and challenge yourself.